the movie Hifazat talks about Vinod Mehra, who was in love with Asha Sachdev, and the feeling was reciprocated. Even their families agreed. Ashok Kumar was not the biological father of Asha, but he had read her as his own and loved her dearly. Since her father Iftikhar had passed away, and there was a curse in the family which he wanted to share with Ashok, but before he could pass away, before he could share it, he just lost his life. He passed away. So the secret was hidden, but there was a curse in the family by which people were used to be attacked, family members. In one mansion, that was a mansion which was dilapidated, and nobody dared enter that. So the relationship turned into love, and they wanted to tie the knot. Even the parents agreed, the dad's fathers, and they were about to tie the knot, but in between there was a you can say the person who arranges marriages and all, astrologer or pandit in Hindu mythology, whatever, in Hindu rituals. He came and he actually unearthed the secret about the family having a curse. So the girl's side was okay with it, but the boy's side, Vinod's dad, was apprehensive, and he called off the marriage. He's the same dad who was the notorious guy in Mother India. So the marriage was called off, and they decided to abscond, and they thought that they will be away from home, and they may tie the knot and come back, then the family will agree. Both of them absconded, and there came to a time when they had to take shelter in the same mansion, and there were people who were attacked in the mansion, and their eyes were popped out. It was looking so ugly, the scene where the eyes are like the wall black. This thing is down, and it looks very awful. And even they were tried the same thing, but somehow they escaped. But the secret was, there was not any ghost or anything. It was only some notorious guys who actually wanted to perpetrate fear. That is the reason they used to attack. And villagers and all the passers-by, they used to presume that there is a ghost or something like that. So later on, it was all very clear that whatever was there is nothing to be scared of, and the family also agreed. There's a few of the songs are there. So bottom line, unless you see and hear from your own ears, don't ever believe in rumors, because rumor is just like, you just lighted a matchstick, and when we start, we just say that we just lighted a matchstick, and when it reaches the last year, it will say the house caught fire. Okay, 3.5 to 4 stars.